everybody. This is day 2, and right now we are on our way to one of the best breakfast places that I've had in a long time. We love it so much. It's called Molly Brown's, and they're one of those restaurants that like opens early, but they close early. They close at like 2, so that's, you know, that's when you know it's a really popular restaurant, when they're totally fine, they've made all their profits, and they can just close at 2. That's when you know. It is just, oh my god, the hash browns, oh my god, the banana bread, oh, it's so good. Oh, I just can't talk about them enough. But anyways, we're going there. I am starving. We are so starving, and we are ready to chow down on some Molly Brown. Oh my god, that rhymed. Guys, when I tell you this bread is unbelievable. This is the banana bread, and it has walnuts in it, but oh my god, it's so fresh. Oh my god. Hi. Yum. Look at these hash browns. That was so good. It never disappoints. It just never does. I don't know how it's possible. You know, sometimes you go to restaurants and they're great, and then you go back and it's like, oh man, you know. But nope, not Molly Brown's. Never. So bomb. What do you have here? He got a to-go box because it's so much freaking food. But let's see what you got in this to-go box. You got a ham steak. This is just a portion of the ham steak. A beautiful beginning of our second day. A delicious beginning. And now we're gonna go home. I think we're gonna go swimming. Last night we had Cross-Eyed Cow Pizza. They do live music there sometimes. So I asked them, hey, do you happen to have live music tomorrow night? And she's like, yes we do, from 6 to 8. And I was like, what? So we're gonna go see some live music tonight. That'll be super fun. We may or may not go to this fancy restaurant. Depends. If it conflicts with the live music, I would rather go see live music. I mean, I guess that makes sense. I'm excited for the day. Let's get started. We just got out of the pool. Look at my pool wet, ugly ponytail.
Can you say that on here?
No, I'm gonna bleep it. I'm probably gonna bleep it. Anyways, we just had the best time at the pool. It was so beautiful. Such a perfect temperature.
Yeah, it had to be in the 90s.
Oh, it had to be in the 90s. It was so beautiful. I wore my new bikini. Those pictures are here. My new bikini. Obviously I didn't take like photos or video while we were there because I just felt it was super weird. Like 5-year-olds did not need to see me be an influencer. I'm not an influencer, but 5-year-olds did not need to see me doing like influencer photo shoots and stuff like that. So I took those photos on the dock on our house, so it's like a personal area. Yeah, that's my new bikini. I'm super excited. I got 2 of them. So I wore one of them to this pool, and I felt super cute. We're going home right now. Hello. Oh my gosh, one of the things I love about this area is that people just say hello to you. Like you know, it's like the olden days, like when you would drive by and even if you don't know each other, you just say hi. Like, it's awesome.
You gon' be the greatest, honey. Show 'em what you made of, honey. You gotta keep that head up, honey. Turn that pretty little smile on, honey.
Alrighty, we are headed off to dinner and live music. Ooh. Look at us. We're all dressed up and put together like I don't know.
IKEA furniture.
Like IKEA furniture?
It'll work.
I decided no to the restaurant, and we are just gonna go to the pizza place. And instead of ordering pizza this time, I'm gonna order pasta. We're gonna try something new there. But listen to live music, so I'm super excited about that. And we look fancy, and I don't care if we're the fanciest people there. I love dressing up and feeling fancy, and that's how I feel today. So there you go, live music and dinner, and we'll keep you posted. All right, we went into the pizza place. We were like, wow, it's like really dead here. Like, surprisingly, there's not as many people as we would expect, and the music hasn't started yet, even though we're like 20 minutes into the time it was supposed to start. So as an artist, I'm thinking something happened. Either the artist is just late or something with the artist. Anyways, we go in there and we ask him, I'm like, hey, are you still having live music? She's like, no, unfortunately the artist canceled. And I was like, it's all good. She's like, yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm like, no, I get it. Dealing with artists, it happens. It happens actually a lot, and it should not. It should not happen often. But it does, unfortunately. But that's okay. That is okay, because honestly, we're all dressed up. We were like excited to go, you know, try out the fancy restaurant in town. So we're gonna go to the fancy restaurant, and we look fancy. So honestly, like, I think in my heart, I was really looking forward to the live music, but at the same time, I also really wanted the shrimp scampi from the fancy restaurant. I don't know. I'm excited. Oh my god, we did some damage, but this is so good. This calamari, oh my god. Dang, look how good this looks.
Dang.
Give me the critique.
Mm.
Oh wow, that
Mom.
cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Mmm.
I know you hear them tap 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 tap. Just stand up tall and rock rock rock.
All right, good morning everyone. It is day 3, so this is our final full vacation day, and we are leaving the lake house to go to Vegas. I think we're gonna finally try a Gordon Ramsay restaurant.
Woo!
Finally! Off to Vegas. We are like an hour or so closer than what we normally would be to Vegas. So it's gonna be awesome. All right, we just picked up our breakfast. So I got myself a bagel sandwich with some onion, tomato, cheese and egg on it. And then he got himself grilled ham and cheese, add bacon on white bread and fries. Yum.
Ain't nobody's perfect. I hope you know you're worth it, regardless of the actions of your past. You're tossing and you're turning, but time on earth is burning.
We're almost there. We're like an hour and a half away now. I'm so excited. We're almost there. And then we have a whole day of fun on our last day on our trip. And tomorrow it's back home, where we get to see little Olive. Little Olive. Our little doggy, Olive Pickles. I can't wait to see her. We are just about to get into Nevada officially. Dear. Woo! Nevada! What the hell? Where are we? Are we in Seattle with this wet road and this like cloud? Oh, it's kind of sprinkling right now. You can't really see it, but you can see the wet road. What is this? All right, I'm down though. It's a little sprinkly and a little sunny. I'm down. It's raining. It's legit raining right now. Oh my god. That's crazy. Just going through a pocket of rain. No big deal. We made it. Hi, Vegas. We are back again.
Tell me, did it hurt when you fell from heaven?